Nangitag barato nga property pero under mother title pa? So what are the documents that you need before buying that property? Hi guys, I'm back. This is Reb Kareen, your real estate ka-chika. So today, let's talk about, tong previous vlog is all about clean title. So karon, what if nakita nga barato nga property pero mother title pa siya? What are the documents that you will be asking with the seller before buying the property? So first off is the extrajudicial partition with deed of absolute sale. If buhi pa ang seller, so pwede sa under sa seller, or if wala na si seller, patay na siya, dapat sign siya with the legal heirs. So it can be the kids of the owner, or kung wala ba'y anak, paan ba niya, iyang parents or iyang sibling. Again, if patay na ang seller, dapat paid ang iyahang estate tax. So, magpa-compute mo ana sa BIR. Third is a separate survey of the property. Fourth is certified true copy of the mother title. And lastly is tax clearance under mother title. Okay? So, if you want to know more about real estate investment, feel free to follow my page. So when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye!